Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. ALFOC, Focus Entertainment. So, Focus Entertainment talked about the stock already several times. So I'm invested, I'm down, but today, 23 euros, back on 23 euros, 9.26% up. Focus Entertainment on actually good numbers, my friends, on good numbers. So we're going to check out the numbers immediately, but I wanted to show you the overall chart, of course. So this is the max chart, so still it looks terrible. So I actually had an order around the 20 euro, 21 euro range, and we didn't manage to go there. So we were almost there. But my order was not executed, and now we jumped there back to the 23 euros. Fortunately, unfortunately, I don't know. I mean, let's see where it's going to go on Monday, but the numbers are actually very nice. So Focus Entertainment, so they're going to develop games like Space Marines 2. I'm looking very much forward. Banishers, Ghost of New Eden as well. Aliens, Dark Descent came out. Warhammer Boltgun, Chance of Stena. Never heard about those games. So, but hey, this is a little French gaming company, and here we are. So today's second quarter revenue for the fiscal year 23 and 24. And here is this beautiful second quarter revenue for fiscal year 23-24, and it's 46.4 million euros. You can see the group total revenue. So for the second quarter, with regards to the previous year, it's 46.4 million to 27.3 million. So year over year, a change of 70%, and that's actually pretty cool. And then if we look at the half year, at the semester, then it's a plus of 30%. So let's go here a little bit in the numbers. After a slight increase in the first quarter, so plus 1%, Focus Entertainment posted a 70% increase in revenue in the second quarter of 23-24 financial year. So over the period, sales were driven by the momentum of the titles launched in the previous year: Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Shredder's Revenge, A Plague Tale Requiem, Atomic Heart, but also by SnowRunner and Insurgency Sandstorm. So those are a backlog catalog games as well. Both launched more than 3 years ago and which regularly received additional content. So the quarter also benefited from the successful launch of several new games since the beginning of the year. So Boltgun, Aliens Dark Descent, Chance of Sena, and Train Sim World 4. These 4 new games were acclaimed by players with an average user score of 89 out of 100 on Steam. The successful launch of Train Sim World 4 by Dovetail Games Group at the end of September and the overall contribution of the Train Sim World franchise demonstrates Focus Entertainment's ability to identify studios capable of adding strong franchises that generate recurring revenue. So nice, I would say. So that's not written there, I'm saying this. As a reminder, Dovetail Games Group has been 100% integrated into Focus Entertainment financial statement since 1st of April, excluding its contribution and that of the other acquisition carried out in the second half of 2022. Like-for-like revenue amounted to 39.8 million, so up 46.2%. So that's not really clear what like-for-like revenue is in this sense. So overall revenue for the first half of the year was 85 million, so up 30% compared with the same half of the previous year. So, and then we say, okay, 10.7% at constant scope. So at constant scope, I think this means if now the Dovetail game would not be part of it, so then it's actually a little bit less. So over the period, 90% of sales were made via digital partners, of course. So international sales accounted for 95% of the total revenue. And then the outlook: between now and the end of the financial year, the teams will specifically mobilize to improve and optimize Atlas Fallen, which was not such a big success, so also not written here, and to prepare for the releases of Banishers, Ghost of Eden, and Space Marine 2. I'm looking forward to Space Marines 2. Banishers, Ghost of New Eden, a new franchise jointly owned with Don't Not, also I own the stocks of Don't Not, will be launched on the 13th of February 24. This new release release date previously announced will offer more favorable launch conditions after the end of 2023, which is characterized by a large number of game launches on the market. Very smart decision, guys. Very smart decision. So don't launch all your games on October, November in 2023 or at the end of each year. This is really not smart. So you always, my friends, you have to make sure that you launch your games that you launch them in a period where there are not a lot of other games being launched. So finally, regarding Space Marine 2, based on an iconic license and developed by Saber Interactive. Saber Interactive is part of Embracer. Oh my god, so the Embracer stock, of course, is a total catastrophe. The teams are currently working hard to ensure that all the features of the game are in place to guarantee that it lives up to its potential. So I hope this too. So Fabrice Larue, chairman and CEO of Focus Entertainment, said the growth recorded over the quarter is testament to the strength of our games and the quality of the experiences offered to players. The teams continue to be fully focused on the quality of our content and the proper execution and delivery of their lineup, with high quality franchise that provide long-term revenue and an ambitious release schedule for the coming years. The group reaffirms its full confidence in its development prospects and maintains its strategic course. So next publication 14th of December. So then I'm going to make a video again about Focus Entertainment. So guys, you know I like Focus Entertainment. I like this stock. So yeah, I'm invested. So I like this stock, and actually I didn't expect it also to drop, because this was not it was not so clear, because it was holding up actually much longer on this high level than some other stocks. So here we can also put Ubisoft here. So Ubisoft actually had a way better run if we go on max. However, if we compare the last 5 years, this is Ubisoft. Oh my god, it even goes in the minus. Yeah, that's what it means. Yeah, it went down in the last 5 years, of course. And in the last 5 years, Focus Entertainment might only be 15% up, but it still performed better than Ubisoft. So also we can put Donut there. Also, yeah, they're not performing so well at the moment. So and Nakon is also a catastrophe. So and Embracer is a catastrophe. So guys, I'm sorry, a lot of those stocks are really not performing so well, but I like Focus Entertainment, and I like that they're actually able to here to also have a revenue, the growth, and make money actually. So it's still 149 million euro market cap. And I like the games they have. They're really high quality games. So it's not just some trashy indie games, let's put it like this. They make games like between AA and AAA games, so on the lower end of AAA games, or on the higher end of AA games, I would call them. So I like the stock, so I would love that it falls even a little bit more. Today is a crazy day, 10% up. My order was not executed, but I'm going to observe the stock further, and then I will buy some more. So that's for sure. So with that, no financial advice. This is only a YouTuber for financial this is for information and education purpose only, not for no financial advice, guys. So of course, and please make your own mind. So sorry, I'm still sick. I don't know what's wrong with me, so it's not stopping. But you know the story. So please don't buy anything I'm talking about in my videos. You lose all your money. Make your own research. See you next time. Bye bye.